Welcome back, looters. I am your host on Tick to Loot, the channel where we turn ticks into treasure. Today we are on lesson 5.4 of Unit 5, Choosing a Broker. In this lesson, we are going to cover how to open and fund a trading account. By the end of this video, you will understand the steps to get started with trading. Step 1 is to choose a regulated broker and go to their official website. Think of a regulated broker like a trusted bank. They are licensed to provide trading services and are monitored by a government agency. Step 2 is to click the Register or Open Account button and fill in your personal details. This is like opening a new bank account. You need to provide some basic information about yourself. As part of the registration process, you will need to verify your identity through a process called KYC, or Know Your Customer. This is a normal and required step by law, where you upload your ID and proof of address. Step 3 is to choose your account type. We recommend starting with a demo account to practice trading, and then opening a standard live account when you're ready. Step 4 is to download the trading platform, such as MT4 or MT5, from your broker's website. You will receive an email with your login credentials to access the platform. Once you've downloaded the platform, you can log in with the credentials provided by your broker. This is like logging into your email account. You need to enter your username and password to access the platform. Step 5 is to fund your account. You can do this through a bank transfer, credit or debit card, or an e-wallet like Skrill or Neteller. Remember to start small. Deposit only what you can afford to lose completely. Many traders start with a deposit of $200 to $500 to get a feel for the market. Before depositing a large amount, it's a good idea to do a withdrawal test. Deposit a small amount, make a withdrawal, and confirm that it works. This ensures that you can get your money out when you need it. That's it. These are the steps to open and fund a trading account. Remember to choose a regulated broker, fill in your personal details, verify your identity, choose your account type, download the platform, log in, fund your account, and start small. That is everything for lesson 5.4, how to open and fund a trading account. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to Tick to Loot so you never miss a lesson. Drop a comment below. What was the most useful thing you learned today? See you in the next lesson, looters. Keep turning those ticks into treasure.